This is All India Radio, the Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarthi. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has emphasized that the development in the Northeast region is among the central government's top priorities. Shah was speaking after laying the foundation stone for several development projects and inaugurating 3 major projects at Imphal in Manipur yesterday. The Home Minister said the NDA government, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has given a new identity to the region, which is now experiencing a new thrust in development. He said the NDA government has taken several landmark decisions to empower the people of Manipur. Shah said Manipur, which was once a hotbed of insurgency, has now become a hotbed of development. Shah also assured that a forensic science college will be set up in the state and requested Chief Minister N. Biren Singh to initiate the process. Shah stressed that during the last 3 years, the BJP-led government has brought unprecedented development and peace in Manipur. Union Home Minister Amit Shah has said that Modi government has taken several landmark decisions to empower the people of Manipur. Speaking after laying the foundation stone for several development projects in Imphal, Shah said the Inner Line permit is the biggest gift to the people of Manipur by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Home Minister congratulated the people of the state on the implementation of Inner Line permit last year and maintained that the dream of the people was fulfilled only because of the Prime Minister's much concerned that non-implementation of ILP in Manipur would be unfair to the people of the state. He asked the people of the state to be thankful to the Prime Minister. Amit Shah also lauded Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh for his tireless contribution in making the state band and blockade free and bringing the state to the path of development with various policies and projects. He appealed to the civil society organizations of the state to include topics of development in their demands, as growth in sectors like health, education, among others, are the key to development of the region. Nagaland for the first time yesterday reported nil detection of COVID-19 case, while 23 persons recovery has brought down the number of active cases to 251. According to the daily COVID-19 bulletin issued by Nagaland Health and Family Welfare Department, out of the 11,897 confirmed cases in the state, 23 patients hailing from Mon, Dimapur and Kohima recovered, increasing number of recovered persons to 11,438. With this, it has improved the recovery rate to 96.14%, which is above the national recovery rate of 95.82%. Altogether, 78 COVID-19 infected patients have died in the state, out of which 10 had comorbid conditions and 130 patients have migrated to other states. In Mizoram, the number of active COVID-19 cases has dropped down to 128. The recovery rate has further improved to 96.84%. In the past 24 hours, the state has recorded 4 new positive cases, while 10 patients recovered from the coronavirus infection. According to the state medical bulletin, the COVID-19 tally has reached 4,182, whereas 4,036 have recovered. In Tripura, the number of active cases of COVID-19 has dropped down to 168. In the state, 32,634 patients infected with the virus have been cured, out of the total 33,216 positive cases registered so far. According to the State Health Bulletin, the recovery rate has further improved to 98.33%. In the past 24 hours, 9 new cases were recorded, along with the recovery of 15 infected people. 1 patient died of coronavirus yesterday, taking the toll to 382. 5 new COVID cases were reported in Meghalaya yesterday, while a total of 27 people also recovered from the virus. Meghalaya right now has only 226 active cases, whereas a total of 13,012 people have recovered so far. The death toll in the state stands at 138. Meanwhile, 5 persons who had returned from the UK to Shillong on November 21st have tested negative for COVID-19. An official said that UK returnees, though tested negative, are under isolation. It may be mentioned that the entire nation is on alert after the detection of a new strain of coronavirus in the UK. The 5 returnees who arrived in Shillong last month do not have any symptoms, it was informed. However, the surveillance teams are keeping a tab on them, he added. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.